Hey guys, welcome to this short tutorial in which I'm going to show you a simple but very effective technique that you can use to get a huge and powerful drum sound that gives your drums more punch and a livelier feel. For demonstration purposes, I have prepared a simple drum pattern with just a kick and a snare on it. Let me play it for you. Now, as you can hear, these samples are pretty dry sounding and don't pack a lot of punch. I'm going to change that as follows. In the pattern window, I select my kick. I then open the Fruity mixer, select a free insert channel. I'm going to choose insert 1, right click on it, select link selected channels, and then to this track. Now my kick is routed to the mixer. Okay, for the snare, same process. I choose insert 2. Now both of my drums are on separate mixer channels. What I'm going to do now is I choose another free mixer channel, this one. I'm going to rename it to reverb, and in the effects section here I'm going to put in Fruity Reverb, which is FL Studio's native reverb plugin. I'm going to turn the dry knob all the way down. And now I'm going to sidechain my drums to this reverb. You can do this by selecting your respective drum sound, then right click in the reverb track on this gray arrow here and choose sidechain to this track. I'm going to do the same for the snare. Okay, this knob down here controls the amount of reverb applied to your respective drum track. I'm going to play my drum loop again, and while it plays, I'm going to move this knob up very slowly, and you listen what happens to the snare sound. Pretty cool, huh? Other than snares, kicks generally don't work well with too much reverb on them, but a little can be very effective. Okay, this is what my drum loop sounded before I sidechained my drums to the reverb. This is what it sounded after. These almost sound like arena rock drums now, very heavy. You can use this effect with any instrument you want, not just drums. Even when applied subtly, it will make your mix much more powerful and wide. If you sidechain all of your instruments to just one particular reverb, it will make your mix sound very natural, like all the aspects of your track were recorded in the same room together. Okay guys, hope you liked this tutorial. If you're interested in other tutorials on FL Studio, drum processing, mixing techniques or whatever, leave a comment in the comment box or subscribe to my channel. See ya!